Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record your Android screen without extra apps. So nowadays, most modern Android devices include a built-in screen recording feature. So you can easily capture your screen without downloading third-party applications, and this is how you can do it. First, if you want to use the built-in screen recorder, you can access it through the quick settings menu. You can swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notifications shade. This one's right here, and then swipe down again to expand, and there will be this screen record, this one, record screen or screen record tools that you can use. And if you want to locate the screen recorder icon, you can also look for the screen record or screen recorder icon on your home screen. But if you don't see it, you can just in here click on settings, and then here you can find or add the screen recorder manually through your quick settings. And here, if you want to start recording on my device especially, this is the first method. You can just swipe down, and then there will be this record screen. But I also have this button that I can click, this one's right here. So when I click on that, there will be this easy touch menu or settings. So in the easy touch, I also include screen recordings and also screenshots built-in features from my phone, so I can easily click on this easy touch and tap on the screen recordings to record my screen. And if you want to screen record, you can also choose audio options. For example, you want to only record only the screen, no sound, or also caption in-app audio, or you can also record in-app audio and also microphone input. So to stop recording, you can just here swipe down, and there will be this stop icon that you can click to stop the recording. Okay, so that's pretty much all. If you want to find the recordings, you can just go to your gallery. So because the videos are typically saved in the gallery or photos app under a screen recording folder, you can find it on your albums or on your video gallery. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.